if you are keen to recycle and help out the environment by repurposing your old belongings that no longer have any use, then you might be interested in learning about the many ways you can reuse old tires to help decorate your garden. This is a fun and thrifty craft that you can complete by yourself or engage in with children. It gets the creative juices flowing and also gives you an excuse to spend more time outside with loved ones. Whether you have a small or large garden, there will be a way to utilize your old tires within your space. For an industrial look, you can leave the tires as they are in their original state or to jazz them up and create a more striking look. Tires can be painted. You can choose colors to complement your outdoor decor color scheme or select shades that contrast your plants to help show them off. So in this video, here I am sharing with you a collection of old tire planter ideas. I hope you will like this video. Let's discuss some tips for using tires as planters. So first of all, you need to clean your tires. Chances are, as you are using old tires, which they will be a bit grubby, paint would not stick to dirty or dusty tires, and your finish will look poor if you have not properly cleaned your tires. Hose them down and give them a good scrub with washing up liquid and a rough sponge. Depending on what sort of planters you are creating, you might want to consider lining them and creating drainage holes. That is really important if you are using your old tires as planters. This will help to keep all the soil in place and prevent any spillage, and it will also help excess rainwater to drain out and make sure that the plants are not sitting in soggy conditions. The most important thing is to choose the right paint. Yes, paint can play a very important role while repurposing your old tires. Tire planters are predominantly kept outside all year round. This means they are subject to heat, cold, wind and rain, and therefore need to be coated in a paint that will be hard wearing. The best type of paint to use will be acrylic based. Look in your hardware store for paints that are specifically intended for use outdoors and are suitable for all materials. Next step is to secure your tires. So if you are using more than one level of stacked planters, you need to be sure you have secured them properly. They will make a huge mess and potentially cause a dangerous hazard if someone accidentally crashes into one and knocks your plants and soil all over the ground. Stick your tires together using superglue or screws and nails. You can create floral planter design. For this purpose, you have to cut down your tires into halves and paint them in a variety of different bright colors. By arranging them in a large flower shape, you can create a larger raised flower bed than is usually achieved by using individual tiles. The look that it will create will be fun and whimsical, which will be at odds with the hard and industrial ordinary character of the tiles. A flower bed like we have shown here in this video would look lovely filled with annual blooms or flowering perennials to match its floral design.